This machine will leave you stunned. Welcome to the beast of mining's ultimate powerhouse. The BWE isn't just massive, it's gigantic. Imagine a machine as long as a skyscraper laid on its side with a colossal spinning wheel lined with buckets. Each bucket acts like a giant scoop, easily cutting through soil and stone. What makes it so extraordinary? Because it's built to extract earth like no other, making it vital for expansive mining projects. It can clear out an area the size of a football pitch in just a few hours. That's productivity on an epic scale. But that's not all. The BWE doesn't just extract, it also delivers. Conveyor systems integrated into the structure carry away the removed material, keeping the workflow smooth and uninterrupted. Minimal halts, maximum mining.